As Mike Innovative Door, we're going to show you a 2284 brown flush by CHI 9x7. Obviously the color is brown. Got the red brown weather strip because they're going to paint this door. This door is 2 inches thick. Got the horseshoe bottom rubber, seals it up nice to the floor. All in nylon skirted wheels. Kind of blurry, but got the dual spring setup. LDC 0800 complemented this door. 8.65 R value, 14 gauge hardware. For all your garage door needs, call Innovative Door 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. 650 Ogden's the headquarters. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our CHI 9x7 2284 brown flush video.